Okay, this is the tutorial for Unit 4 Success Plan. For the Success Plan, you're going to need to read the directions very carefully, probably a few times. This one's a little bit complex. It really has 3 major steps. So we'll go to the Virtual Job Shadow, and we'll begin by going to Tools, Goal Setting. You'll be filling in short-term goals within the next year and long-term goals beyond the next year. So I've started a few, but it's as simple as clicking the Add a Goal button and determining a name and then describing that in some detail and then saving or submitting. Okay. All right, I need to put something there. Of course, your description should be very thorough. Okay, so at least 2 short-term, at least 2 long-term goals. Now, when you're finished with that, you're going to go to My Plan and download PDF again. What happened is your goals were and the descriptions were added to your plan. So download this PDF because you're going to submit this with your assignment. Okay. The next step is to investigate the cost of your top 3 schools. So the way to do that is to go to your colleges and click into your top 3 schools and actually look at the tuition and probably the financial aid that they give out, which is sometimes listed, sometimes not. So you'll see Salis is $21,346 per year, okay? And you'll make a note of that. So take some notes because you'll use this information in your reflection paragraph. Look at all of your top 3 colleges with regards to tuition. The next step to this is to go back to the success plan and learn something about financial aid. So you'll find a link on number 8. Go into that link. When you're in the link, you'll see videos of financial aid. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on the current student videos and either learn about financial aid, okay, and there's a whole list of videos and you can see the topics over here. Watch at least 5. If you do not receive financial aid and don't expect to, you can click on the student budget section or a personal finance. Take notes because you'll use this information in your paragraph. So we're going to head back, submit assignment, choose that plan that we downloaded, submit, and then go back in, choose text entry, and very carefully answer the questions. Describe what you learned about the cost. Be very specific. How will you finance that? Include details that you've learned about financial aid. So make sure you touch upon all 3 sections of this. You should have learned a whole lot during this section. Submit your very detailed reflection paragraph, and you are finished.